Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from mutations. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. Who was the first to discover mutations in the male lamb? Seth Wright is the scientist who has discovered the mutations in the male lamb, that is the Ankan breed of the sheep. Who discovered mustard gas? Mustard gas was discovered by Auerbach and Robson, and they have used mustard gas for producing the mutations in Drosophila. The term mutations were coined by Hugo de Vries while he was working on Oenothera lamarckiana for the sudden changes which are heritable. Who observed the mutagenic action of X-rays in barley? Stadler is the scientist who observed the mutagenic action of X-rays in barley, and Muller observed the mutagenic action of X-rays in Drosophila. Mutagenic effect of UV light was first discovered by. The mutagenic action of the UV light was first discovered by the scientist Attenberg. The genes which decrease the frequency of the spontaneous mutations of the other genes in the same genome are called as. If they decrease the frequency of mutations, they are called as the anti-mutator genes. The highly mutable regions within the gene are called as. The highly mutable genes within the gene are known as the hotspots. A change from mutant allele to the wild type is which type of mutation? If there is a change from mutant allele to the wild type, it is a reverse mutation. When there is a change from the wild type to the mutant type, it is the forward mutation. Alleles which produce mutant phenotype only under specific environmental conditions, then they are called as. If they produce the mutant phenotype only in the specific conditions, they are known as conditional lethals, which is also known as restrictive mutant. Which of the following are sparsely ionizing particles? X-rays, gamma rays and beta particles are the sparsely ionizing particles, whereas the densely ionizing particles are fast and thermal neutrons and alpha particles. Which of the following is non-ionizing particle? UV rays are the non-ionizing particles. Moving on to the next question. Cobalt-60 is commonly used for the production of. Cobalt-60 is commonly used for the production of gamma rays. Along with that, 14C and 60C is also used for the production of gamma rays. The velocity of the thermal neutrons can be controlled by using. The velocity of the thermal neutrons can be reduced by using graphite or heavy water. Which of the following are the positively charged particles? The alpha particles are positively charged because they are made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and thus they have the double positive charge. The relation between penetrating powers of the beta particles and alpha particles is. Beta particles are more penetrating than the alpha particles. The penetrating power is gamma rays, X-rays, beta particles, neutrons and alpha particles. So the least penetrating power is for alpha particles and highest penetrating power is for gamma rays. For inducing mutations in asexually reproducing crops, which of the following are used? For inducing mutations in asexually reproducing crops, we use fast and the thermal neutrons. Which of the following are used for inducing radiations in microorganisms? For inducing the radiations in microorganisms such as bacteria and virus, pollen grains or the eggs of Drosophila, we are going to use the ultraviolet rays. UV rays produce which of the following? The UV rays produce the pyrimidine dimers, that is they produce TT, CC or UU, and also they can produce the mixed dimers, that is C and T or U and T, etc. Sulfur mustard belongs to which group of mutagens? Sulfur mustard belongs to the alkylating agents. Alkylating agents can also be called as radiomimetic chemicals because their effect is similar to the ionizing radiations. Alkylating agents produce the effect by transitions, transversions, or they can even change the hydrogen bond, and alkylating agents produce the frameshift mutations. A tautomer of 5-bromouracil will pair with which of the following? 5-bromouracil is similar to thymine, so it has to pair with adenine. But the tautomer of 5-bromouracil will pair with guanine instead of the adenine. Which of the following are acridine dyes? Acriflavin, proflavin and ethidium bromide. All of these are the acridine dyes. Which of the following induces mutations in bacteria and higher organisms? Acriflavin induces mutations in bacteria and higher organisms, and proflavin induces mutations in bacteriophages. Which of the following is used to detect sex-linked visible mutations? For detecting the sex-linked visible mutations, attached X method is used. For detecting the sex-linked lethal mutations, CIB method is used. For detecting sex-linked recessive mutations, Muller's 5 method is used. And for detecting the visible autosomal mutations, Curley-Loeb-Plum method is used. Which of the following method for detection of mutation in Drosophila uses the homozygous females? Muller's 5 method uses the homozygous apricot females for detection of mutations in Drosophila. The normal strain of Neurospora grows well if the medium is provided with. The normal strain of Neurospora grows well if the medium is provided with biotin, and it is used for detecting the induced mutations in Neurospora. RDB1 is the mutant variety of. RDB1 is the mutant variety of barley. A rise in 10 degrees centigrade in the temperature leads to what change in the mutation rate in an organism? If there is a rise in 10 degrees centigrade in temperature, then the rate of mutations increase by 5-fold times. Aruna, Saubhagya are the mutant varieties of. Aruna and Saubhagya are the mutant varieties of castor. Which of the following is the mutant variety of rice? The mutant variety of rice is Jagannath. Moving on to the next question. Induction of mutations by chemicals in fungus aspergillus was demonstrated by. It was demonstrated by the scientist Steenberg. If the mutant is unable to synthesize a biochemical substance which is essentially required for the survival and reproduction, then it is called as. If it is unable to synthesize the substance which is essentially required for its survival and reproduction, then it is called as a auxotropic mutant. And when coming to the phototropic mutant, it is a wild type individual which is capable of synthesizing all the essential growth substances which are required for its growth. The mutations which occur in the reproductive tissues and transmit to the next generation are called. If the mutations occur in the reproductive tissues and transmitted to the next generation, they are called as the germinal mutations. If they occur in the somatic tissue and they are not transmitted to the next generation, then they are called as the somatic mutations. Which of the following is a potent mutant for plasma genes? Ethidium bromide is a potent mutant for plasma genes. The total loss of the expression due to the non-functional gene product is. The total loss of the expression due to the non-functional gene is amorphic mutation. When coming to the hypomorphic mutation, it is the partial loss of the expression, and hypermorphic mutation is the increased expression of the mutant gene than that of the wild type allele. Which of the following is not a transversion? When coming to the transitions and transversion, in transition, a purine changes with a purine and the pyrimidine replaces with another pyrimidine. In transversion, purines are replaced by pyrimidines and pyrimidines are replaced by purines. So, purines are A and G, pyrimidines are C, U and T. So, the option is C and T because it is not a transversion because both are the pyrimidines. Missense mutations result in which of the following? The missense mutations result in the change in the amino acid chain. That is, one amino acid is substituted by another amino acid. Which of the following is the chain terminating mutation? Nonsense mutations are the chain terminating mutations because normal amino acid is replaced by the stop codons. Which of the following requires the double-stranded DNA? Additions, deletions, replacements. All of these can occur in the single-stranded DNA or RNA, but the inversions requires the double-stranded DNA. Which of the following mutations code for the same amino acid after mutation. The silent mutations code for the similar amino acid even after the mutation. Aflatoxins produce which of the following? Aflatoxin forms an additional product at the N7 position of the guanine, and because of this it leads to the breakage of the bond between the base and the sugar, and thereby it leads to apurinic site. So aflatoxin produces the apurinic site. Cyclobutane pyrimidine photodimer can be repaired by which of the following? Cyclobutane pyrimidine photodimer can be replaced by photolyase. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.